If you are a really passionate person and think that you don't need to study college to make money, then you are right. For actually making money, you really don't need a formal education. However, if you're planning to enter the STEM fields, that is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, then studying college will serve you well for the foundation of knowledge. Other than these fields, work experience and knowledge matter more than education. So here are 14 jobs that make you millions without a college degree in your hand. Hello, and welcome to Luxus. Number 1. Business owner. Small business is the lifeblood of the American economy. Entrepreneurs that choose to make a living from executing on their ideas can look forward to building a company that contributes to the country as a whole. Business owners drive employment, pay taxes, and increase GDP, and they're valued members of any community. Some business owners experience wild success, while others may only barely make a living. However, those business owners that survive the first 5 years of operations can look forward to a 95% success rate, with the chances of earning hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions of dollars every month. Number 2. Real estate broker. If you enjoy property and sales, then consider a career as a real estate broker, with agents making average salaries of anywhere between $30,000 to $180,000 per year. Dealing in real estate requires a license, but anyone with a high school diploma can apply for the real estate exam, and it costs nowhere near as much as a college degree. Successful real estate agents work hard, with many choosing to be on the call during weeknights and the weekends as well. Number 3. Sales consultant. After executives and qualified professionals, the highest paying jobs are sales jobs. Working at the Verizon kiosk in the mall isn't going to net you $100K a year, but if you can get into selling exotic cars or private planes, that could make you $1 million wealthy in a short period. Great salespeople understand the value of training. There are hundreds of YouTube videos from successful sales trainers available for free online, and many sales mentors to help you improve your sales skills. The only investment you need to make in sales training is your time. The more you practice, the luckier you get. Number 4. Air traffic controller. It may surprise you to learn that air traffic controllers do not need a college degree. These individuals deal with the stress of coordinating airplanes. While candidates for air traffic control jobs don't need a degree, they must undergo intensive screening and psychological tests to ensure that they are suitable for the job. Other than handling short periods of stress in busier flight times in a day, there isn't much required for this job. If you make it as an air traffic controller, you can expect a salary that averages $150,000 per annum. Number 5. Virtual assistant. Being a virtual assistant to an online entrepreneur is an excellent way to earn a living. You get to enjoy the benefits of working from home at any location in the world that has internet connection. This level of freedom is like no other personal assistant job you've ever had. In some cases, you may never even lay eyes on your employer, chatting with them over virtual message channels and email only. For the most part, VA jobs don't pay very well, but with the right training, experience, and client choice, it's possible to land a VA position that pays more than $100,000 easily per year. Number 6. Plumber. Leaving college for a trade is a great idea. America lacks new tradespeople, with many jobs like electricians, machinists, and plumbers becoming a lost art. The world will always need plumbers. Who else are you gonna call when the toilet blocks up and water is all over the floor? Qualified plumbers can easily make more than $100,000 a year after they finish their apprenticeship. Firefighter or police officer. If you feel like giving back to your community after high school, then why not sign up to be part of the local fire or police services? These community services offer free training to cadets and a guaranteed spot on the team if you pass the tests. While the starting salary for a rookie police officer or a firefighter is not outstanding, if you choose to make it your career path and end up in an executive position, you can expect to make more than 6 figures a year. Number 8. Site manager. Many high school graduates entering the workforce to make some cash for the summer choose to try construction. This vocation is plenty of hard work in the beginning. However, most contractors don't require you to have a civil engineering degree to tear down walls. While construction is hard work, it teaches you the skills you need to be a successful contractor. Most students that start construction after high school find that they own a contracting business by the time they're in their late 20s. Along the way, you can expect to get involved with site management as part of your journey. Site managers earn anywhere between $40,000 to $130,000 per year. Number 9. Information technology manager. Tech offers some of the highest paying jobs in the American economy. Tech giants like Facebook, Apple, Amazon, and Google are always searching for new talent. Many coders don't go to college to hone their craft, and some of the best coders in the world are under the age of 25 years old. IT departments need technicians to handle their network problems, and most IT technicians only receive training on the job. If you end up running a corporate IT department, then you can expect an annual salary of anywhere between $50,000 to $125,000 per year. Number 10. Radiologist. Considering that radiologists work in the field of medicine, it's surprising to learn that they only need an associate degree to start a career in radiology. Radiotherapists receive a pay grade that's relevant to their knowledge and experience, and senior radiologists can expect to earn more than $116,000 per year. Considering that cancer was responsible for more than 600,000 American deaths in 2018, radiology therapy is set to become a growing industry. Number 11. Head chef. Do you have a talent for cooking? Becoming a qualified South chef or head chef at a trendy upmarket restaurant can earn you a salary of up to $150,000 per year. However, students of the culinary arts may have to attend hotel schools where they learn the nuances of the service industry, including the regulations around handling food. Once these students enter the workforce, they may find that it takes many long hours in the kitchen to receive a sizable pay package. However, since aspiring chefs are passionate about their career choice, many don't mind working the long hours necessary to be successful in the industry. Number 12. Freelance writer. If you did well with English classes in high school and you have a natural command of the English language, going for a career in writing after you graduate is an excellent way to earn a living. While most writers may start with minimal salaries, they can increase their pay as they improve their skills. The writers that are persistent with their career path may come across an opportunity to start their own writing company, blog, or service that could potentially net them over $1 million annually. Number 13. Professional athletes. Some talented individuals may choose to pursue a career in professional sports after high school. Should you do well in the NFL Combine or show promise on the basketball court, you could end up with a college scholarship that allows you to get an education for free. Many pro sports teams hire athletes straight out of high school, paying them outrageous sums of money to play for their side. It's probably the most competitive stream, but once you make it, there are no limitations on money. Number 14. Digital nomad. Some high school leavers may try to find their fortune on the internet. Setting up an e-commerce business, such as FBA or Fulfillment by Amazon, allows you to create an online income selling other manufacturers' products online. By earning an online income, you are in the same position as a VA, where the world is your oyster, and you can work from any destination you choose that has internet connection. This video may paint a scenario where you think that there is no value in a college degree, but this is not our intention. Education serves its purpose, but the fact is that many people end up studying courses that offer no value in their future careers. But what if people had to work for 10 years after high school and then only had the option to study college in their 30s? Maybe this approach would mean that the student would have enough savings from their salary to afford college without a loan. The potential student might also be in a better position to study a course that would benefit their chosen career. But that's it for today. Do what interests you. It will surely make you happy and the money will just follow. If you're looking for jobs in your favorite industries, do check this playlist here. Hope you liked the video. If so, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Luxus if you aren't already, and we'll see you in the next one.